Hello everybody and welcome to my third video. Today I'm going to be painting a watercolor portrait of Diana Silvers, which is an actress that I found on Pinterest, and I'm going to be linking her Instagram in the description. So this is the first time that I'm doing a voiceover, which is really scary for me, and I'm not a native speaker, so I'm constantly worrying about making any grammar mistakes, but I hope that this will be fine because I've tried to record this voiceover many times now. So let's talk about the materials that I'm using. For the pencil, I am using a weighted pencil from Muji, which is my favorite Japanese stationery store, and I've been using their products for a while now, and they have all really great quality, and also I like the prices. They're really fair, they're not too cheap, but also I think it's worth the quality that you get. The paper that I'm painting on is from Arcs or Arches, however you pronounce that, but it's 100% cotton, which for me is always really important with watercolor paper because it doesn't tear up that fast, and also it is cold pressed so that you have that grain, which makes the water sit on top of the paper for a bit longer so you have more time to adjust your washes. For brushes, I am using just standard synthetic brushes, 2 quill mobs, and I'm trying to be as vegan as I can be. I think there is one color in my watercolor set that is not vegan, but I didn't know that when I bought it, and I am not gonna be rebuying that color. So I think I'm gonna leave now and come back later, so have fun watching this video.
Broken heart. Somehow you bring me a broken heart. Somehow you bring me a broken heart. Somehow you bring me a broken heart. Broken heart. Somehow you bring me up.
Hello, I'm back. So this is pretty much the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the painting that I did, and please subscribe, it's free. Like, comment, help a girl out. If you want to check out my Etsy store, I'll have the link in my description, and I'd be really happy if you looked at the products that I'm selling. So have a nice rest of the week, and goodbye.